Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious Hawaiian sweet and sour ribs. Yum!
Please subscribe and click on the bell.
Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like as it will help my video distribute throughout YouTube. Thank you. I am using pork ribs cut into 2-inch pieces. We want to dust the ribs with flour just like so. In a bowl, add brown sugar, rice vinegar, shoyu, pineapple juice, and mix. In a pot, heat oil and brown your ribs. Once brown, flip the ribs over and brown on the other side. Set your ribs aside, ditch most of the oil and add your garlic and ginger. Sauté until fragrant. Add your ribs and sauce. Once your sauce comes to a boil, reduce your heat and cover. Once the ribs are fork tender, add your slurry. This will thicken the sauce. When the sauce thickens, add your pineapple. And that is how simple it is to make my version of Hawaiian sweet and sour pork ribs.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.